manufacturing with Vactor, how they rebranded a TruVac. So basically, same truck, just a different kind of look and a few different things.
Chain. Oh God.
Once you get this moving, you just head west. West. Wait, which way? Oh yeah. North. Yeah, it's like North Face. North Face, right there. Head north.
Motherfucker.
Watch out for that thing. It'll poke you pretty good.
Oh.
All right. Come on, baby. Go back to itself.
Okay.
Like, wish. Hope this moves. I hope so. If it doesn't, figure it out. Bug. All right. I hope it's good. Oh, you got it.
Say a prayer.
Look at you go.
Jesus. Please help us.
Get a burnout. Ooh.
Oh.
There's one stuff right here. What? Oh yeah.
It's not splitting?
Oh, it's busted up. Well, that's not a good sign. Oh yeah, that's the stuff, baby.
That's the gabagool.
Go to your house, son. Go to your house.
Trying. Go home, Trevor.
Go east.
Wheelie it, Phil.
Yeah, I believe so.
It's going good, Dave. Oh, she's going. Oh, yeah. All right, are we betting couplers or no couplers?
I'm betting there has to be a couple.
I'm betting coupler.
Yeah, with how it's moving now? I think so. Oh.
Our pulley broke off.
Was that a 100-foot roll?
That looks like a third of it at least is gone.
Okay.
33 foot.
I work in quarters, Dave. I'm not that smart.
Okay, pull tight.
Is it moving?
Oh, she broke off. So gentle. She's pulling, baby.
Oh, damn it. I'm gonna tip you over.
Ah, come on.
Is that about where it is? Wanna grab it? There's a friend.
Oh,
Nice cat.
Okay.
Gotta be right close to here. Good.
it's like an inch and a half
Good,
now.
Jared.
Or inch and a quarter.
It's gotta be close, man.
Thank you. Yeah. Hold. on, baby.
Is that the new stuff right
That's
there?
the splitter. Can you just track back at all?
Is that the new stuff right there?
Yep.
That's the light blue.
Yeah. Yeah.
There she is. Thank baby Jesus for all things.
Dang, good work. Why didn't we do that the first time?
I wish.
Tristan set it up the first two. Do we want to?
Yeah, come where you want. Why is it all rocks? Beautiful. No tracer wire, that sucks. Busted off. And there was a stiffener like right there. Did what happened? You got it?
I got it.
Fiendish.
I got it. I was trying to be funny.
Excuse you. I know he's like, I don't want to say it. And then he says it anyways.
It's not even formed yet.
Do you want more?
Well, yeah. Yeah, it's not even going. A little more. I mean, stiffeners?
I got some in that bag.
Okay.
Don't fucking put that. Jarek, no! Jarek, no!
What?
Honestly, at a line that thing's not ever capable of coming out. With the leverage to get that union to mate faces,
Yeah.
that honestly, you could probably like not even tighten those pack joints and it wouldn't be able to pop
Go
off.
anywhere.
No.